Hey gamers, it's ya boy, Scissor Slicker 97, aka Jerry, here on Saturday. Just happened to see the post office USPS delivery guy just showed up, and he brought with him these 5 mystery packages, which I have no idea what is in them, so I thought I'd take a break from Saturday cleaning to unbox some of these things. This one, obviously, my first thought goes to sword. It's actually more heavy on this side than it is on this side, but it could equally be fishing poles, because I have not announced yet, but the Fishing Museum and Cultural Center will be having a fly fishing class coming up in May, and then level 2 in June. As soon as we find the best spot for it. Hey Justin. So hopefully this is a fly fishing pole. It could also be a sword. I can't really remember everything that I bought over the past month. Plus, I know I have something really cool coming from England, but I don't think any of these are coming from overseas. So I'm going to save this one for later because it's the only one that's not just a box. So we've got 3 boxes. One, that long one here, and then this flat guy, which is very likely some sort of historical document. So we're going to do it in order. We're going to open one of these random boxes first, then the flat one, then a box, then the long one, then a box. See what we got. This one's coming from New London, Wisconsin. No idea what I could be getting from Wisconsin. I hope it's for me. Yeah, it's for me. It's in a box. I do not think that this is actually Christmas lights. We'll see. I'm sure this is some sort of fishing thing. Yes, I know what this is. Haha! Like I said, this is a fly fishing reel of the classic fashion, not an automatic winder. But this is actually pretty good condition. Oh my god, I don't even know if I have to clean this or anything. Obviously, it's modern-ish, made in China, South Bend. You know, so we'll see. We'll see what we do with this. I don't really know what fly fishing, you know, what. I've never been fly fishing. I've never been fly fishing. I've got an instructor who'll be doing the fly fishing for me, but we shall see. Oh my god, it's like sticking. All right, I'm gonna have to work on this guy, oil it or something. Neat, cool, fly fishing reel. Now let's open this flat one. There's nothing fancy about that fly fishing reel, just to clarify. Also, if you guys haven't seen this, this is my Niagara Falls, Canada knife from Sheffield, England. It's actually not mine, it is Haley's, and I have yet to get it to her. So Haley, if you're watching this, I'll get your knife to you. But man, it's helpful. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten. Man. See, the worst part is how do I open these things without actually, like, damaging? I'm sure it's in cardboard. I'm sure that's how people ship these things, but... Oh, man. What have we got? Yep, this is something wrapped in cardboard, so we got a document. I don't know if it's a book or a magazine. The only print that I know, I mean, I just ordered a few of them recently, so they wouldn't have arrived yet, like yesterday. The only one I know is an antique print of mummers in fake soldiers getup, but that's coming from England, and this one's coming from Oklahoma. So, I am terrified to use a knife to open this because I don't know how far back it is. But fortunately, thumbnails break Scotch tape fairly easily. What the? There's nothing? Or is it taped to it? What the heck is this? It's another thing taped to the inside? Why would you do this? Oh my god. Look, they taped a bag to the inside. So now I have to untape the bag. FFS. Okay, what is in here? Oh my god! Just give me my thing! I swear. Most of these videos are just me complaining about how people package items. Oh my god. Ooh, I can kind of see it. I don't know what it is. Haha. I should get a P.O. box. And I should have you guys like, hey, send me your random antiques. And I'll unbox them and get excited about it. Oh, yeah! This is awesome. I forgot the year this was from, 1926 or something. This is a photograph of an Ojibwa Indian, I believe from 1920s, doing spearfishing, which is pretty sick if you ask me. Straight from National Geographic. So I like that. I'm going to have to actually like make sure that it's culturally correct. But I really like this. That is going to go up on the Fishing Museum and Cultural Center page at some point. So nice. I like this. It's like unboxing gifts from myself. Okay. Another rectangular box. This one's a bit heavier. Heavier than just one fishing reel. I mean, for all I know, it could be like 3 fishing reels. I mean, I've just been buying this stuff because I need to have it for the class. And I don't have enough yet for me to be too comfortable. I mean, given the class isn't starting for another few months. Oh my god. Newspaper, anyone? Alright, what do we got? It's heavy. Here's one heavy thing. Here's another heavy thing. Nothing in there. It is a fly fishing wheel! Yay! This is much older. I like this. It's got a black painted black cover with some brass knobs on it. I can't tell if it was painted or not, but I might have to just remove some of that paint. Look at that. Pretty cool. I love this look. I love the fly fishing reel look. Look, it's got brass on it. Why would anyone paint over this? If that truly is painted, not factory, it must be. It must be. Look at this. Look at the dash job on the brass on there, like this. Someone probably just slapped some black paint on there, or maybe grease, and it got super ashen. But I can't even see. I can't even see if a company. Oh. There are words there, but I cannot make them out. I'm gonna have to clean this thing. Look at this. Oh, it's covered in black dust. Why? Why would you do this? Cool. Another fly fishing reel. That works pretty well. This one's in the same box. I'm sure it's another fly fishing reel because I've been looking for lots, like lots. Oh, sicko. Yeah, someone painted it. Because this one's got black on it too. Look at that. Jeez. Martin Ott Fish Reel Company, Mohawk, New York. It says gun, I think. Sheffield, I think. And then there's a bunch of words on the top of it right here, but oh no, maybe that's just design. Yeah, I'm sure someone painted these. I don't know what the hell. I'm gonna have to make a post. There's a few Facebook pages out there that are very helpful. In case you guys are curious, like, that's so cool. It's an automatic fly fishing reel. So you kind of crank it up like a little spring here, and then it's on your pole, so when you reel it in, you got too much out there. It just reels it for you. How cool is that? I love this. This is like 1940s through 1970s-ish, or I mean modern, I suppose. But I've got a few different automatic fly fishing reels that are just, you just press it and bzzz. How cool! I just think that's awesome. Gonna totally do a hands-on exhibit when we get the museum going. All right, now on to the big one. I do vaguely remember ordering a fishing reel with a fishing rod. I mean, I've got plenty of reels. It's the rods that are the hard part. So I saw one rod for sale with a reel. So that might be what this is. I know it's funny that I said I made the title of this video Antique Sword or Fishing, and it just has so far all been fishing. I mean, I've been buying more fishing stuff than sword. I've got plenty of sword stuff. I don't need stuff. I've got enough sword stuff for the museum to run and exist. I don't have enough stuff for the fishing museum. Oh, Nelly. Is that everything? Yep. Check this out. Oh. What the? Oh. That's so cool. It's... Maybe there is something in the bottom of this. No. It's a fishing rod. It's a fishing rod case, holder, thing. Oh, that's so sick. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna have to get myself a knife once I give Haley that one back. Old fly fishing reel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hold on. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Oh my god, I gotta show you guys this. Okay. Awesome. Look at this. It's cork, but almost looks stained. Like there's no way that's just dirt. It could be. But it's a bamboo. Oh geez. Oh, it's broken. Oh, fun. Nonetheless, it's a bamboo rod here with 4 pieces. That is the coolest thing. And a couple things, you can take a look at these. See how it's just like one like roller coaster loop? Whew. That would indicate a fly rod instead of a casting rod. And look, it has this really vintage looking auto reeler, which is it just has an old feel to it. Oh, here's some words. Patented November 19th, 07? 1907? No way. No way, dog. What do we got here? Let me read it. Regulated, patented November 19th, 07. 1907. No way. There's no way this is 1907. And it couldn't be 2007. Could it? Cool. That is super cool. Oh my god. I love it. Oh. I want to put this thing together, but I am not going to. This is going to be an exhibit. There's no way that this is going to be used. First of all, the reel is in great condition. This is a great conditioned reel. And the fact that it comes as a set with a pole, oh, awesome. And a case or a holder or something. See, I thought this came... I'm going to have to look at the posting that I ordered this from. I don't know if I got it from eBay or what, or an auction house or something. But I'll have to find it because I don't remember ordering something without a case, like an outside case. Nonetheless, awesome. Woo, that is cool. You know, I'm just going to shove my hand up in here, make sure there's nothing else. Yeah. No, nothing else in there. Well, that was awesome. We got one more box to open up, you guys. Got 4 fishing reels today. Woo! I know this is a case. I wanted to clarify. There's usually a metal sleeve that goes on the outside of round cases like this that you kind of take it off and then it's all together like this. So I guess what I meant was an exterior case, a covering to this holder. Man, see this fishing rod. Oh man, I wonder if there's any sort of indicator of the age on the rod, because those are so rare. It's so cool. Not much though, man. Nonetheless, awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. Okay, last box. Also, you guys should know that currently, because the Swordsmanship Museum and Academy does not have a physical location, my basement is essentially becoming the exhibit storage area, which is frustrating. I don't want to buy a location yet. I want to wait until Corona's over, because there's no point in buying a location and just being like, haha, can't do anything in it. But I need to, that means I don't have any space for my fishing stuff, which is basically just in even more storage. It's not even set up as a display or anything yet, so. Oh yeah! You guys, I love these. I love these, you guys. Hold on. This is super cool. Let me clear this out. This guy, I love these. They are tiny. They're the tiny little one-to-one action fishing reels. And I mean, don't get me wrong. The multi-action, or whatever you want to call it, one basically where you spin it once and it circles up once. That's one-to-one. And then one of the big developments in fishing history was a more to on a higher ratio. So you spin it once and then it reels like 3 or 4 times, which is awesome. But these teeny tiny little brass reels here are like from the roughly the mid to late 1800s. I actually have a print I brought downstairs from the 1850s that shows a guy clearly with one of these on his reel. Very cool. This one's in rough shape. It's missing the handle. I mean, usually it has a little thing that goes on top of it that you can grab. And this is just a little rod. So I don't know if there's any restoring left for this one. It's another Hendrix one. I love Hendrix ones. Let's see if there is always a patent on it. Patented 1880, probably 1881. Love it. These Victorian fishing reels are the coolest thing to me. I love it. You wouldn't really cast with it. It's kind of like a weird combination of like fly fishing and casting and cane fishing, where you just kind of pull a little bit out and you let it go. And then as you reel it, you're not reeling a fish in with this. There's not enough strength there. I mean, you're really pulling and then kind of reeling a little bit at a time. Nonetheless, very cool. This one's in some really bad shape, honestly. I don't know if I'm going to leave this in relic condition or if I'm going to restore it. Take a lot of work to restore it. I don't know if I'm going to do that. But in any case, awesome stuff. Dang! Take a look at this haul we got today, y'all. There you go. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous haul. Love that stuff. Woo! Like the Fishing Museum and Cultural Center on Facebook. Like the Swordsmanship Museum and Academy on Facebook. Like Corvus Cohort, Mercenaries of the 1500s on Facebook. And catch you guys next time. Peace.